we enjoyed, when we shoot also, we enjoyed so many times because the way he written the script was so nice. Even when he was sitting and reading a script scene by scene, no, that time itself I enjoyed so much while working with Nitya and others. No, it was after the shoot is over, the pack up, the schedule pack up. No, once the movie is done, we couldn't move from the set. We removed makeup and everything. We sat for half an hour to 1 hour, sitting and discussing, just talking with each other because it was so real and we enjoyed so much, like a whole family, like how Nitya said. No, it was like that.
నిత్య గారు, ట్రైలర్‌లో మీ యాక్చువల్‌గా ఈ మూవీలో మీ నేమ్ రాణి అయితే ఆయన మహారాణి అని ఫస్ట్ పిలుస్తారు. తర్వాత చాలా ఇరిటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. అండ్ అండ్ ఇంకొకటి మీరు ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్‌లో ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా ఆయన్ని ఒక మాట అంటారు తర్వాత మ్యారేజ్ అయిన తర్వాత. సో, అది చాలా